to Premium Tech Guide. Guys, we all know that IMO, one of the most popular messaging platform. Sometime we need Many IMO account for many tasks, but we did not have enough numbers to create a IMO account. So guys, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create unlimited IMO account. Now we need an app, which from we can get number. App name SafeIMO. Check description and download this app. You can download from Play Store. First we need to connect VPN on US server. I use Hala VPN mod version. I usually use ExpressVPN New York server and Hala VPN a server 100% working. I recommend this VPN. You can try with other VPN. With a server, just use your sense. You will successful 100%. Now I open SafeIMO app. Now we need to allow this permissions. Now click sign up button. See, now we've got a sign up form. Now we need to fill this form. Now enter a unique username, must small letter. Enter a password, minimum 4-digit. Enter retype password and click submit button. Now follow my steps. Now click begin to use. Wait please. I got an error message. Error, please check your data in fields. Again click please try again and again. We all know that to get something good, you have to face many problems. Even then, if we do not succeed in registering, now simply back again and change username and do same. Again click begin to use. Now we can got 1 or 2 error message then. Account register successful. Now allow all permission. Now follow my steps. Click setting icon. This our account dashboard. My SafeIMO number. This our number, guys. Listen our target number 380. Country code for IMO. If you got 370 country code number, it won't work. So our target 380, it's mean Ukraine country number. Many times, SafeIMO gives 370 country code number. So for 380, we need to use secure VPN. I copied this number. Now I open my IMO app for create an IMO account. Now select Ukraine country. And put your copied number. And click enter. Now we need to wait a moment for OTP. Guys, look, I got a message for IMO OTP. Click messages icon. Now copy this OTP. And put here your copied OTP. Guys, look, IMO account create successful. In this same process, you can make unlimited IMO account. Just use your sense. Don't tell me not working. Guys, really that's amazing and call trick. So guys, stay connected with us, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.